The LG toploader washing machine OE error code is a drainage-related error that occurs when the machine is unable to dispense water for 13 minutes. This code does not relate to a specific problem in the drainage system, but rather indicates a general issue with the drainage process. Common causes of the OE error include a kink drain hose, which can limit or cut off water flow in the drainage pipe, leading to a drainage failure. Poor drain hose installation, such as mounting the standpipe too high, can also cause water to flow back into the appliance, resulting in the error. Additionally, a clogged pump filter can prevent drainage from the pump, often due to the accumulation of scum and laundry residue over time. To fix the OE error, several solutions can be applied. Straightening the drain pipe can help overcome drainage issues caused by kinks, folds, and twists, creating a clear conduit for drain fluid. Proper drainage system installation is also crucial, involving the mounting of the standpipe at a height of less than 1 meter to minimize water flowing back into the appliance, and ensuring that there are no constrictions at pipe joints that may limit flow in the pipes. Cleaning the drain pump filter is another effective method, which involves unscrewing the filter, cleaning it with an abrasive brush and water, and rinsing it properly before screwing it back in place. Regular cleaning of the filter can help prevent the error from occurring in the first place.